Hi everyone, welcome to this week's craft. This month we are talking all about inventions and different inventions that were made over time. This week we are talking about the airplane. Now, this looks nothing like the original airplane that the Wright brothers made, but it works. So, what we're going to do, just get a regular sheet of paper, and then we're going to follow the instructions in this book. This is the Klutz book of paper airplanes, and we have it available at the library. So, first, what we're going to do is we're going to fold in half like this. Try and get it precise. Alright, and then once you've made that fold, take the back of your thumb nail and run it down to really crease that fold, because we want to be able to see it. Now we're going to undo it and then fold in this top corner. Like I said, take your thumbnail with pressure and do that, because you want these folds to be very firm so they don't get messed up. Once again, back of your thumbnail, it really makes that line sharp. Alright, then what we're going to do is fold this section straight down like this. There we go. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this side over here and fold it over about an inch from this point. So probably about right there. Make sure it's right in the center, and then bring that back. Fold it like this, and then once again, run your thumb down. Now, we're going to take this side and meet up in that exact same spot. Whoops. Crease it. Alright. Now you're going to take this tip and fold it up to kind of lock those in place. There we go. Just like that. Now we're going to flip it over, and fold it this way, making sure everything lines up evenly. Alright. And then we're going to fold the wings down. See, they kind of do it at an angle like this so that it goes up at the back. See, it's not quite straight, it goes up at an angle. Now we're going to flip it over and fold it in the same spot. And there we have it. There's the airplane. And then when you go to fly it, hold it kind of like this so that you can see this is a bit open. See? So it's a bit open, so it makes that shape. So when you throw it, it gets air in there. Alright. Alright, so here's this airplane. This is not the one we made in the video, but it doesn't fly very well. So I'm going to remedy that. And you can do this even with the ones that fly very well, to make them fly even better. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a paper clip, and then you're going to put this rubber band inside it like that. And then what you're going to do is take this and put it inside the tip of the airplane like that, so the rubber band is secured. Then you're going to take a stapler. There we go, stapled in there. Alright, so now I'll show you what you can do with this.